In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in monday.com. To start, open monday.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, click Login at the top right to access your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is usually your avatar or initials. From the menu that opens, select My Profile to open your personal settings. Inside your profile, locate the password section. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a tab or an option in the sidebar. Click Password to bring up the fields you'll need. You'll see 3 fields, 1 for your current password and 2 for your new password. Begin by entering your current password. This confirms it's really you making the change and helps protect your account. Next, create your new password. Aim for something strong and unique. Think at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details or common words, and don't reuse passwords from other sites. A memorable passphrase made of unrelated words with a few substitutions can be both strong and easy to recall. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a complex password so you don't have to remember it manually. After that, confirm your new password by typing it again exactly the same. This step helps catch typos before you lock in the change. If the system highlights a mismatch or flags that the password doesn't meet requirements, carefully retype it and check any visible policy notes, such as minimum length or character rules. Also make sure caps lock isn't on by accident. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your password was updated. In some cases, you may be asked to sign in again, or your other sessions, like the mobile app or another browser, might prompt you to re-authenticate. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Update your password manager so your new credentials autofill next time. If your organization uses single sign-on, the password section may be disabled because your credentials are managed by your identity provider. And if you share devices, remember to sign out when you're done. That's it. Your monday.com password is now changed. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along while you make the update yourself.